Well, here I am at Rand Road in Indianapolis. Just a quick shot of the outside of the building. This is 3150 Rand Road. I'll take another video of the back section and walk around the outside perimeter. You have 2 or 3 large doors here. This is I think about a 20 by 18 door here in the corner. That's a drive all the way through the building. Then you have 2 loading docks here. One is a little more elevated. You can see it's about that's 30 inches. Then you have another standard loading dock with a dock leveler. Big pylon sign right here. You can see the interstate right behind me. I think this is 74 if I'm not mistaken. Walk into the front of the building. This building is used for a sign company right now. The front has several offices, a little conference room, break room, a few bathrooms. And the back is primarily just a large open warehouse with all the equipment. Walking into the foyer. Let's see. Just taking a quick pan to the front. Watch people scatter as I do this. Lobby area. Walking back around, you have offices front, more offices. I'm not going to go into them since they're occupied. Offices, ceramic tile floor, 8-foot ceilings, 2x2 lights. Coming back around, more little offices and rooms. Back in this section right here, we have all the data panels. Let's see. The T1 line, everything else brought in right here. Okay. Oops, going back. You can kind of see how these offices just go right back through. You have a conference room with glass wall. Running back through now into the warehouse. Once again, offices that flank the lobby. This looks like a little shop workroom. Men's and women's bathrooms. Check compliant. Yeah, they look to be. Stalls aren't handicap compliant actually. The rooms are big enough. They just need to be stalls modified. Let's see about the women's. Basically, same thing with the women's. This is not ADA compliant. It'd just be a modification of actually elimination of the toilet accessories or partitions. Okay, now coming back into the warehouse here. These are the 2 loading dock doors that you saw to the, I think, the east of the property. Just take a quick pan. It is fully fire suppressed, 24-foot height at the minimum here. See back, they have all of their spray booths and so on and so forth, which will be removed. Lighting is high. I don't know if you want to raise that up and possibly put high bays in or not, but it's at least 18 feet above finished floor right now. Kind of see another quick pan looking around this backside. The building is approximately, I think, what were we? 1, 2, 3, 4, 125 by 200. You know, it's interesting. I do not see that the fire suppression was lowered for these offices. I want to check that again before I leave. Just walking back around and through. If that's the case, it leads me to believe this was built non-permitted. And this is where I was talking about that drive-through doors. It's large overhead. Here. And there. As you can see, there's plenty of room back here. This area is fully heated and air conditioned, this whole warehouse. You see all the duct runs. There's 2 units on that flank the building. Actually 4 units. I think there's one there, 2, 3, and then 4. I'm gonna open up this door and walk outside. Apparently this is a 5-acre parcel. This is coming out the right rear of the building. Just to the light. It's hard to see, but if you can see that telephone pole back there and the lines, our property goes all the way back to that corner. It's hard to see. The cell tower that's here is part of the property as well. You can see that it's all fenced and gated back here. See all not electric fence, but gates. Just panning around the back. Parking lot is in decent shape. It's alligator and potholes and that little bit of stuff, but nothing that's insurmountable. Okay. The building is in good shape. I didn't see any spots of roof leaks or any stained tiles or anything like that, or stained insulation. Close this door back up. Walk out to the front. Site access is great. And just come back this way. Well, and I believe that is it. And there are not sprinklers dropped down to the office areas, which is interesting. So, one more pan of the warehouse back here. And that is it from Indianapolis.